guys, it's Sarah Bigger-Stewart, founder and CEO of Cloven Hallow. I thought it'd be a fun tutorial to show you great video conference call, video chat makeup, and just talk about some tips because this is a reality that most of us are dealing with right now. And makeup on camera is very different from makeup in real life. Yes, a webcam is very different also from, a high def, photography or film. But some things, such as, the camera tends to take away the color in your face, it tends to blur your features, are just consistent. And it's nice to add a little something to your routine while also understanding that the details of is this perfectly blended or something like that is gonna get lost on a video chat. So having said all that, let's just jump into it. I always recommend prepping your skin. Yes, prepping your skin will not be super noticeable on a video chat, webcam type situation, but it still just helps the makeup go on better and easier. And as part of your prep routine, I would also recommend using some eye drops. We're all in front of a computer screen so much more than maybe we're used to. And there's a tendency for tired red eyes. So I think adding some eye drops is a really good call. Once your skin is prepped, let's go into eyes. So I'm going to use our pressed pigment palette from Cloven Hallow, and I'm going to use our Shade and Blend eyeshadow brush. So picking up probably this rose gold color or the gold color, I'm just going to start feathering that all over the lid. You don't need anything heavy. You don't want to look out of place on video chat, like, oh, why is this person so dressed up? Where are they going? But you do want to add a little bit more depth and drama than you're used to because it's all going to get washed out on camera. So I'm going to take that rose color and feather. And then once I've got that blended everywhere, I'm going to mix the orange and brown matte shades and just put that in my crease. Again, this is not something that you have to do on the daily. This is just something I'm doing because, makeup gets lost on screen. So this will help pull your features out and not look so dull and flat. Because I feel like I look two-dimensional when I'm on video cameras. A step you definitely don't want to skip on a video conference call is eyeliner and a good mascara, because you really want to highlight those features and define them so they don't all sort of blur together with the poor quality on a video, webcam, computer camera, whatever. So I'm going to take an eyeliner and go right up against my lash line. And then so it doesn't look harsh, I'm going to take this flat side of the Shade and Blend brush, and I'm just going to use the tip of it to kind of smush it about and smoke it out a little bit. I don't want a harsh eyeline, but I do want something there. And I'm just kind of winging mine out a little bit at the corner, again, just to add a little bit more definition to the eye because it's going to get lost on camera. And then I would go in with a heavy coat of mascara. If you like false lashes, I don't necessarily think that they're worth it if you don't often wear them, but if you do often wear them, I think they would make a difference on a video chat. So I'm gonna really layer up my mascara and kind of show you the difference that it makes. It really makes such a difference. It makes your eyes pop. I definitely recommend spending a little extra time on your brows on camera because they definitely get washed out. So instead of using the pressed pigment palette, I'm actually gonna go with this pencil from EcoBrow because it has a little bit more pigment to it. So I am just gonna fill in my brows and go a little bit darker than I usually do. Again, remembering that the quality of these web cameras that we're all video chatting through are much lower quality than the camera I'm using right now. So everything gets kind of like washed out and blurred together. Now for complexion, I actually think you can skip the heavy makeup. One, because the quality of this camera is not great. I keep repeating that, but it's true. And secondly, because you just don't need heavy makeup when you're working from home. No one's gonna see all of the redness, all of the details of your skin. And also, we're doing a lot of leaning when we're working from home because there's a lot of just sitting around. And so the less makeup you can have on your skin, the better for your skin. So what I recommend is actually really just focusing on a good high quality concealer. I'm gonna use ours and just taking it in key places where you might have spots or redness. And just really trying to even out the skin tone, but we're not focused on perfection because that really does not matter when you're working from home at all. So I'm just gonna blend that out. If you feel like I really can't get by with that little face makeup, I would say go with like a pressed powder, something light and sheer, or a tinted moisturizer. So I'm just gonna do like a really light dusting of PMF, super light. And the ingredients on this are so freaking good. If you're resting on your hand, I mean, it's mineral foundation. It's not going to irritate or inflame your skin or clog your pores whatsoever. So now I think a key step of all of this is blush. The camera absorbs a lot of color, and so a blush that you think is giving you life probably is not on screen. So I'm actually going to use a lip glaze as blush because it has the perfect dewy finish and it has enough pigmentation for me. So hang tight while I grab the one I want to use. So I've got Spicy here. It's a really pretty, like, bold raspberry color, and I'm just gonna take some on my fingertip, tap it between my fingertips because I don't want too much, and just tap onto my cheeks and blend. I definitely recommend using your finger for this because the heat from your fingers is what helps this product really melt down. It's not sticky, but it's thick and creamy enough that if you used a brush with it, I don't think it'd work as well. And I think that goes for most glosses. I think a lipstick you could repurpose as a blush with a brush, but for a gloss, use your fingers. We're gonna keep it super simple and easy and apply the same lip color to our lips. It's monochromatic, you know it's gonna work, and it's also a pop of color on your lips, so you can look really put together. So that's it, guys. What we've done here is just really quickly and easily highlighted certain features, made sure that nothing looks washed out on camera, and kept it really easy and simple. That way you don't feel pressured to spend like 20 minutes getting ready in the morning for, you know, a day of working from home, because that's not fun. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.